Okay, I read this on online a couple days ago, and I'm sure it's been reported before, but it's microwave popcorn done at home. So we're gonna pour just enough kernels to cover the bottom of the bag. That may be a lot, but it'll be alright. Maybe some won't pop. And then we're going to take some olive oil. And, yeah, it says Crisco, and it's not the good stuff, but it'll do. And we're just going to give it a little bit. You can't really see, but I'm just going to pour a little bit in there. Just dribble it in. I don't know, maybe a tablespoon. Maybe not even that much. That'll be it. And then I'll just kind of move it around a little bit. Get it kind of doused. Actually, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add sea salt and garlic powder, because I love garlic on my popcorn. Now, yeah, that's weird. That's really weird, man. Why are you doing that? I like it garlicky. This is very fine ground garlic powder. It's very hard to get out of this container. Anyway, need to fix it. Okay, so let's shake it around a little bit. See the salt and garlic get mixed up. As you can see, the oil is already coming through here. It's okay. It's still going to work out just fine. So let's wrap up the top a little bit. Close it up. Shoot everywhere in the microwave. Put it in there just like you would a microwave pack. I'll set it to, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. Probably won't need that long. I'm going to go 2.5. Let's see. I'm just going to listen to it like I do a microwave bag. And probably be just fine as it slows down. I haven't burned a package yet, or a bag yet. So it should be good when we're done. You can hear it. It's already popping. Vigorously. I love it. I'm going to enjoy it thoroughly. Of course, this is way healthier than buying the microwave version, which is covered with all kinds of weird stuff. has no butter on it, no milk. Believe it or not, there's a lot of milk in there. They put milk in microwave popcorn. For what reason, I do not know. It's in the butter, I guess. I guess they're calling that a milk product. I'm not sure. Still going strong. We got 10 seconds. Starting to slow down. Okay. Didn't get all the way through the kernels, but I can assure you there's likely plenty of popcorn in here. Yeah, the bag's almost full. It's up to about, I don't know, 75% full, and it's going to be delicious. And this raw popcorn, I made it at home. It's good for you. So eat it and whatnot.